Hello! Today I'll show you how to make this small faux leather zipper pouch. They are very cute and very handy to keep small stuff like earpods and lipstick. Okay, before we start, I'll show you how to install the metal zipper pull. Okay, first of all, cut the zipper with the right zipper teeth sits below the left one. The zipper teeth pointed side, or the arrow, the pointed side should be facing down. Insert the zipper pull with the wider side goes in first until you feel the click before you pull the zipper down. Today I'm going to make faux leather zipper pouch with cotton lining. Since I'm working with faux leather, I only fuse the interfacing on the lining. I block fuse the interfacing by cutting my fabric in rectangle, and I fold it in half and I place the template with the straight side on the fold and cut according to the template. Now cut a notch to mark the center on the top, bottom and sides of the exterior and lining pieces. Do the same for the zipper tape. Before sewing the zipper, secure both ends of the zipper tape by stitching over it by hand or by machine, or staple it to prevent the zipper pull from sliding off. I'm using a high-grade faux leather or leatherette here with a fleece backing, so I don't need padding or interfacing for that. Put the exterior and zipper tape right side together, matching at the center. Clip in place and make sure to pull the zipper tape firmly. Make small cuts on the zipper tape along the curve around 3 by 8 or 1 centimeter apart. Now base stitch the zipper with 1/8 inches or 0.3 centimeter seam allowance. Back stitch at the start and the end. match the center of the other side of zipper tape and the exterior piece and clip in place. Make sure that the corners are matched before opening the zipper. Stitch the zipper using 1/8 inches or 0.3 cm seam allowance. Now place the lining on the exterior piece, right side together, and flip all around using wonder clips. Sew along the seam with 1/4 inch or 0.6 cm seam allowance. If you are using regular zipper foot, make sure that the left side of the zipper foot is sit just next to the zipper teeth. Now notch or snip the seam on the 4 rounded corners. Be careful not to cut into the stitches. Carefully turn the pouch right side out, pull the zipper nicely and press the seam. With the right side up, top stitch all around the seam with 1/8 or 0.3 cm seam allowance. You may want to increase the stitch length at this point to 3.5 or 4, depends on your machine. With the lining side out, close the zipper and make sure that the pouch is closed nicely, not wonky. Now flatten the open seam with the help of one of clips. Make sure the center of the pouch and the zipper are matched. Draw a straight line parallel to the raw edge, measuring 1.5 inches or 4 centimeters, and sew on the line. Now trim the seam to 1/4 inches or 0.6 centimeters wide. Now with the binding right side up, place the pouch seam on the binding. Fold the sides and sew across using 1/4 inch or 0.6 centimeter seam allowance. Turn the binding over, neaten the sides, and fold in the binding raw edge and fold it again, encasing the pouch raw edge. Pin and top stitch close to the edge. Now turn the pouch right side out, push the corners nicely, and your zipper pouch is done. Congratulations! Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Until next time, bye bye.